Viewers, I have been discussing previous year question papers of UGC NET paper 1 for the preparation of NET exam, and in this endeavor I have created 6 videos till now, 2 of which are dedicated to revision, and uh, it's more important to note that while watching these videos you must also keep in mind that identical questions won't appear in the actual exam. These videos are intended to provide you with fundamental insights and a better understanding of the subject matter only. Additionally, I would also like to ask for your understanding regarding my pronunciation, since English is not my mother tongue, you all know. Since it is my fifth language, therefore please be patient with any pronunciation issues or error you might encounter or feel. At last, I would like to strongly recommend verifying the answers to the questions discussed in the videos. Don't take them at face value, as it's always a good practice to double check your understanding of the content or of content. Because sometimes, despite my deep research, it may happen that the wrong answers that I might have told you wrong answer as correct answer. So please do your own research in the context of correct answer. Okay. So without any delay, let's begin our discussion. Uh, I have taken one more question paper related to uh, UGC NET paper 1, and in that endeavor we will try to solve 2020 10's June month's UGC NET paper 1 question. So without any delay, let's begin our discussion. The first question that we have got is, which one of the following is the most important quality of a good teacher? This question is related to teaching aptitude. Which one of the following is the most important quality of a good teacher? Punctuality and sincerity, content mastery and reactive, content mastery and sociable. So the correct answer will be content mastery and reactive. Content mastery and reactive. This option is correct in the context of quality of a good teacher. Second question that we have got, it says the primary responsibility for the teacher's adjustment lies with what? The primary responsibility for the teacher's adjustment lies with what? The children, the principal, the teacher himself, the community. What do you think? Think inside your mind and then answer it. Okay. The correct answer will be the primary responsibility for the teacher's adjustment lies with B, the principal. Okay. Next question. As per the NCTE norms, what should be the staff strength for a unit of 100 students at B.Ed level? As per the NCTE norms, what should be the staff strength for a unit of 100 students at B.Ed level? 1 plus 7, 1 plus 9, 1 plus 10, 1 plus 5. So the correct option for this question, it will be, according to my research, 1 plus 10. Okay, that is C. As per the NCTE norms, 1 plus 10 should be the staff strength for a unit of 100 students at B.Ed level. Next question, it says, research has shown that the most frequent symptom of nervous instability among teachers is what? Research has shown that the most frequent symptom of nervous instability among teachers is what? A. Digestive upsets. B. Explosive behavior. C. Fatigue. D. Worry. What do you think? So the correct answer will be research has shown that the most frequent symptom of nervous instability among teacher is B. Explosive behavior. Explosive behavior means when a teacher gets angry and which gets out of control. It happens often due to some circumstance. Under some circumstance, teacher may feel angry, but it should not go out of control, right? It's a very basic and fundamental question. Next question is 5. It says, which one of the following statements is correct? Which one of the following statements is correct? A. Syllabus is an annexure to the curriculum. B. Curriculum is the same in all educational institutions. C. Curriculum includes both formal and informal education. Curriculum does not include methods of evaluation. Okay, what will be the correct answer? Correct answer will be number C. It says curriculum includes both formal and informal education. This statement is completely correct, but the rest are not correct. It may correct under some circumstances, but according to this question, number C will be the correct answer. Likewise, number 6, it has asked us, a successful teacher is one who is compassionate and disciplinarian. B. Quiet and reactive. C. Tolerant and dominating. D. Passive and active. A successful teacher is one who is. The following options are given. So the correct answer will be a successful teacher is one who is compassionate as well as disciplinarian. So if a teacher is not disciplined, then his students, they will also not be disciplined. It may happen, and along with discipline, a teachers must have character or qualities compassionate or compassion. He must know how to care, how to love. Okay. And then number 7, we have to read this passage and then answer the question. Okay, let me read it for you. The phrase "what is it like" stands for a fundamental thought process. How does one go about observing and reporting on things and events that occupy segments of art space? Of all the infinite variety of phenomena on the face of the earth, how does one decide what phenomena to observe? There is no such thing as complete description of the earth or any part of it, for every microscopic point on the earth's surface differs from every other such point. Experience shows that the things observed are already familiar because they are like phenomena that occur at home or because they resemble the abstract images and models developed in the human mind. How are abstract images formed? Humans alone among the animal possess language. Their words symbolize not only specific things but also mental images of classes of things. People can remember what they have seen or experienced because they attach a word symbol to them. During the long record of our efforts to gain more and more knowledge about the face of the earth as the human habitat, there has been a continuing interplay between things and events. The direct observation through the senses is described as a precept. The mental image is described as a concept. Percepts are what some people describe as reality, in contrast to mental images, which are theoretical, implying that they are not real. The relation of percepts to concept is not as simple as the definition implies. It is now quite clear that people of different cultures or even individuals in the same culture develop different mental images of reality, and what they perceive is a reflection of these preconceptions. The direct observation of things and events on the face of the earth is so clearly a function of mental images of the mind of the observer that the whole idea of reality must be reconsidered. Concepts determine what the observer perceives, yet concepts are derived from the generalization of previous percepts. What happens is that the educated observer is taught to accept a set of concepts and then sharpens or changes these concepts during a professional career in any one field of scholarship. Professional opinion at one time determines what concepts and procedures are acceptable, and these form a kind of model of scholarly behavior. So I have read the entire paragraph. Now after reading this paragraph, we have to now carefully answer the questions from 7 to 12. If you want to read it, then very simple. You can go backward and then again play the video. So the first question is, it has asked us, the problem raised in the passage reflects on what? Thought process, human behavior, cultural perceptions, professional opinion. Correct answer will be, the problem raised in the passage reflects on C, cultural perceptions. It is the correct answer. Number second, it has asked us, according to the passage, human beings have mostly in mind observation of things, preparation of mental images, expression through language to gain knowledge. So answer will be, according to the passage, human beings have mostly in mind B, preparation of mental images. Let me mark it correct. Okay, then concept means what? A mental image, A, B, a reality, C, an idea expressed in language form, D, all the above. So correct answer is, concept means C, an idea exposed in language form. An idea expressed. An idea expressed in language form. Number 10, the relation of percept to concept is what? A positive, negative, reflective, absolute. So correct answer will be C, reflective. The relation of percept to concept is reflective. Number 11, in the passage, the earth is taken as what? The globe, the human habitat, a celestial body, a planet. So correct answer will be, in the passage, the earth is taken as C, a celestial body. Celestial body. Okay, done. Then number 12, percept, P-E-R-C-E-P-T, means what? Direct observation through the senses, a conceived idea, ends of a spectrum, an abstract image. 12, the correct answer of percept means B, a conceived idea. Okay, a conceived idea, B. Let me mark it. Okay, now we will move on. Number 13 is asking us, action research means what? So this question is often repeated. A longitudinal research and applied research, a research initiated to solve an immediate problem, a research with socio-economic objective. So the correct answer will be number C. Action research means a research initiated to solve an immediate problem. Immediate problem. The word action itself says it all, right? Number 14, research is what? Searching again and again, finding solution to any problem, working in a scientific way to search for truth of any problem, none of the above. So research is number C, working in a scientific way to search for truth of any problem. Okay, so this is the definition of research. Number 15, a common test in research demands much priority. A common test in research demands much priority on reliability, usability, objectivity, all of the above. So correct answer will be, a common test in research demands much priority on D, all of the above. That means reliability also significant, usability also pivotal, objectivity also matters. That's why all of the above will be the correct answer for the question number 15. Number 16, which of the following is the first step in starting the research process? Which of the following is the first step in starting the research process? Searching sources of information to locate problem, survey of related literature, identification of problem, searching for solutions to the problem. What do you say? Correct answer will be number A, searching sources of information to locate problem. Searching sources of information to locate problem. This is the correct answer, which is the first step in starting the research process. Number 17, it says, if a researcher conducts a research on finding out which administrative style contributes more to institutional effectiveness, this will be an example of what? Basic research, action research, applied research, none of the above. Let me reiterate it. If a researcher conducts a research on finding out which administrative style contributes more to institutional effectiveness, this will be an example of 4 options are given. I will not repeat it. Let me give you the correct answer. Correct answer will be number C, applied research is the research which the question was asking us. Number 18, it says, okay, number 17, let me mark it correct. Okay, 17 done. 18, normal probability curve should be what? Positively skewed, negatively skewed, leptokurtic skewed, zero skewed. 18, so normal probability curve should be D, zero skewed. Zero skewed is the correct answer. Zero skewed. Okay, similarly, question number 19, in communication, a major barrier to reception of messages is what? Audience attitude, audience knowledge, audience education, audience income. So in communication, a major barrier to reception of messages is a audience attitude. It matters a lot. Next question, number 20. Postmodernism is associated with what? Postmodernism is associated with newspapers, magazines, radio, television. Postmodernism is associated with television. You must have seen after the great two world wars, the popularity of television, it has increased drastically and dramatically. Nowadays television is there, but internet, it is in high popularity and demand. Number 21, didactic communication is what? Intrapersonal, interpersonal, organizational, relational. So didactic communication is B, interpersonal. Interpersonal, number B is the correct answer. Let us move on. Number 22, in communication, the language is what? The non-verbal code, the verbal code, the symbolic code, the iconic code. Number 22, in communication, the language is B, the verbal code. Okay, language is the verbal code. Number 23, identify the correct sequence of the following: source, channel, message, receiver, source, receiver, channel, message, source, message, receiver, channel, source, message, channel, receiver. So the correct answer will be number A, source will come first, then channel, then message, then receiver. So this is the sequence. Okay, you have to remember and try to do your own research related to this question. The next question, assertion A is given. It says mass media promote a culture of violence in the society. Reason is saying because violence sells in the market as people themselves are violent in character. So both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true but R is false. Both A and R are false. What do you say? Correct answer will be number C, that is A is true mass media promotes a culture of violence in the society. That is true. Okay, but R is false. R means the reason which says because violence sells in the market as people themselves are violent in character. So it cannot be applied to all the contexts. Sometimes it may be true, but not in all contexts. Number C is the correct answer. Moving on. Moving on, number 25, we have mathematical sum. When an error of 1% is made in the length of a square, the percentage error in the area of a square will be what? So here you have to use little bit of mathematical knowledge. When an error of 1% is made in the length of a square, the percentage error in the area of a square will be 0, 1 by 2, 1, 2. What do you think? The correct answer will be C. Okay, C is the correct answer. How I cannot show you here. You have to do it by yourself. Do it. Number 26. On January 12, 1980, it was a Saturday. So these kind of questions are often repeated. The day of the week on January 12, 1979 was what? Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So on January 12, 1980, it was a Saturday. The day of the week on January 12, 1979 was B, Friday. It was Friday that day. How? Do it, solve it, then only you will be able to do it. Okay, number 27, it says if water is called food, food is called tree, tree is called art, art is called world, which of the following grows a fruit? Water, tree, world, art. Read it twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times, 10 times, it will be clear. 27, let me tell you the correct answer. Correct answer will be world. Okay, it will be called world. 28. E is the son of A, D is the son of B, E is married to C, C is the daughter of B. How is D related to E? Question mark. Let me repeat it. E is the son of A, D is the son of B. E is married to C, C is the daughter of B. How is D related to E? Brother, uncle, father-in-law, brother-in-law. Use your brain. It is quite easy if you practice it at least 30 to 40 questions related to this, then it will be quite effortlessly solvable for you. Now let me tell you the correct answer. Correct answer will be brother-in-law. Brother-in-law is the correct answer. Brother-in-law. Okay, moving on, we have got 29 number. If INSURANC, insurance in capital, is coded as ECNARUSNI, how hindrance HINDRANCE will be coded? Very easy question. Easy means here you have to use your little attention, little concentration, then it will be solvable. But let me tell you the correct answer. Correct answer will be D. That means ECNARDNIH. How? Do it, then only you will get to know. Do it. 30. Find the next number in the following series. We have to find the next number in the following series. 2, 5, 10, 17, 26, 37, 50, question mark, 63, 65, 67, 69. So correct answer of 30, it will be B. 65 is the correct answer. Okay, 31. Which of the following is an example of circular argument? Which of the following is an example of circular argument? God created man in his image and man created God in his own image. God is the source of a scripture and the scripture is the source of our knowledge of God. Some of the Indians are great because India is great. Rama is great because he is Rama. So now we have to find out which of the following is an example of circular argument. First, you have to know what is circular argument. That you can find out from the Google. So check it out. Okay, let me give you the correct answer. Number B, God is the source of a scripture and the scripture is the source of our knowledge of God. This is an instance of circular argument. Okay, this is the example of circular argument. 32. Lakshmana is a morally good person because he is religious, he is educated, he is rich, he is rational. What do you say? 32. Lakshmana is a morally good person because D. He is rational. If you are rational, then you won't be stupid. Oh, you won't be foolish. No one can um, take advantage from you because you are a rational person. Therefore, if Lakshmana is morally good, then he must be a rational person too. Number 33. Two statements are first and second in Roman given below are followed by two conclusions A and B. Supposing the statements are true, which of the following conclusions can logically follow? Number one is saying some religious people are morally good. Number two, some religious people are rational. Conclusions are like this: rationally religious people are good morally. B, non-rational religious persons are not morally good. A, only A follows. B, only B follows. C, both A and B follow. D, neither A nor B follows. So C will be the correct answer. Both A and B are correct. Means both A and B will follow. Both A and B will follow this thing. Conclusion. Okay, next is 34. Certainty is what? Certainty is what? It is an objective fact, emotionally satisfying, logical, ontological. So certainty is B, that is an emotionally satisfying thing. Certainty. Finished? Moving on. So moving on, we have got mathematical sum. Questions from 35 to 36 are based on the following diagram, in which there are three intersecting circles, I, S and P, where circle I stands for Indian, circle S stands for scientists, and circle P for politicians. Different regions of the figure are lettered from A to G. So here you can see three circle are drawn. If we look at left side of the circle, left side circle, then we will get there is a long dash and capitalize written, and inside that, inside the box of left side, C is there, and just like that you can check it out. S is given in the on the right side, and then D, A, F, B like this. Okay, you just read it or take a look. Then now we have to find out the answer. The region which represents non-Indian scientists who are politicians, F, D, A, C. If you look at the picture carefully, then your answer will be easily available. Okay, so correct answer will be the region which represents non-Indian scientists who are politicians. Will be F. Will be F. Wait. F is the correct answer. Number 36. The region which represents politicians who are Indians as well as scientists, B, C, A, D. Look at the picture, then only it will be clear. You can take a screenshot, or you just pause the video, or you can go back to the video. So the correct answer of 36, it will be C, A. 37. The population of a city is plotted as a function of a time in the bracket years in graphic form below. We have population and then we have graphic form like this. Okay, study the diagram. Then okay, now which of the following inference can be drawn from above plot? The population increases exponentially. The population increases in parabolic fashion. The population initially increases in a linear fashion and then stabilizes. The population initially increases exponentially. Exponentially means very quickly, and then stabilizes. So the correct answer of 37, it will be number D. The population initially increases exponentially and then often stabilizes. Okay. Next question. In the following chart, the price of logs is shown in per cubic meter and that of plywood and saw timber in per ton. Study the chart and answer the following questions 38, 39, 40. So look at this picture. I will not read. Here, left side you will see year and price in rupees, and then the year horizontally X is written here, and then plywood, saw timber, log, like this. The pictures are given. Just study the picture, or you can pause the video here just to concentrate more. And then we have to now solve the question. Which product shows the maximum percentage increases in price over the period? Saw timber, plywood, log, none of the above. So correct answer will be saw timber. SAWTIMBER, saw timber. This is the correct answer. Next question 39. What is the maximum percentage increase in price per cubic meter of log? 6, 12, 18, 20. So correct answer will be number D. 20 is the maximum percentage increase in price per cubic meter of log. Okay, 40. In which year the prices of two products increase and that of the third increase? 2000, 2002, 2003, 2006. Correct answer will be 2002. 40. 10 more questions are left. We will solve it. Okay, here this is for blind students only. Okay, not for us. Let us do the rest of the question. So 41. Which one of the following is the oldest archival source of data in India? Which one of the following is the oldest archival source of data in India? So this will be fruitful for you because it will help you in your research endeavor also. 41 options are National Sample Survey, Agricultural Statistics, Census, Vital Statistics. So the correct answer will be National Sample Survey. This is the oldest archival source of data in India. 42. In a large random data set following normal distribution, the ratio of number of data points which are in the range of mean and then plus minus is given like this. Standard deviation to the total number of data points is what? Infinite marks or what this? 50%, 67%, 97%, 47%, 42. Correct answer of this, it will be B, 67%. Okay, just like that. 43. Which number system is usually followed in typical 32-bit computer? It is related to computer, and you must have computer knowledge because so many questions are asked related to computer and information technology and internet also. So which number system is usually followed in a typical 32-bit computer? 2, 8, 10, 16. Correct answer will be number B, 8. 8 is the number system that is usually followed in a typical 32-bit computer. Wait. Draw 8. Done. Then number 44, this is also related to computer. Which one of the following is an example of operating system? Which one of the following is an example of operating system? Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Access, Microsoft Windows. Correct answer will be number D, Microsoft Windows. This is an example of operating system. Okay. Word is, you all know, in Word you can type and then you can write article, book, whatever you wish. Okay, 45. Which one of the following represent the binary equivalent of the decimal number 23? Which one of the following represent the binary equivalent of the decimal number 23? 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 100, 1, 1, none of the above. What do you say? 45. Correct answer of 45. It will be all are wrong. That means none of the above. It will be the correct answer. Number D will be the correct answer. 46. It says which one of the following is different from other members? Which one of the following is different from other members? Google, Windows, Linux, Mac. These all are related to, you all know, internet and also computer and software. 46. Correct answer will be A. Except Google, except Google, all are related to software, if I'm not wrong. 47. Where does a computer add and compare its data? Where does a computer add and compare its data? CPU, central processing unit, memory, hard disk, floppy disk. What do you say? 47. 47 correct answer will be hard disk is a place where computer add and compare its data. Hard disk, you must have heard, you must have used, you might have seen, you must have seen. 48. Computers on an internet are identified by what? Computers on an internet are identified by what? Email address, street address, IP address, none of the above. So this is a pretty simple question. If you are using mobile to then to your location can be located, tracked, and that is IP address in computers to SIM. IP address. Number 49, the Right to Information Act 2005, you must have heard, makes the provision of what? Dissemination of all types of information by all public authorities to any person, establishment of central, state and district level information commissions as an appellate body, means chief body. C, transparency and accountability in public authorities, all of the above. The Right to Information Act. 49, the correct answer will be all are correct. All are correct. Let me mark it. So these all are correct. A also correct, B also correct, C also correct. Number 50. Number 50, which type of natural hazards cause maximum damage to property and lives? Which type of natural hazards cause maximum damage to property and lives? Hydrological, hydrometeorological, geological, geochemical, related to environment and ecology. 50. Correct answer will be B. Hydrometeorological. This is a type of natural hazards that cause maximum damage to property and lives. Like let's say there was a dam and that dam was damaged, or that dam was broken, then what will happen? All the people, those who live near the dam, they will be shattered, right? 51. Dioxins, sorry for the pronunciation, dioxins are produced from what? Wastelands, power plants, sugar factories, combustion of plastics. 51. Correct answer of 51, it will be dioxins are produced from the combustion of plastic. Combustion of plastic, this is the correct answer. I have marked it correct. Now 52. The slogan "A tree for each child," a tree for each child, this is a slogan, was coined for what? Social forestry program, clean air program, social conservation program, environmental protection program. 52. Correct answer will be A, social forestry program. This was the program for what the slogan called "A tree for each child" was coined. 53. The main constituents of biogas are methane and carbon dioxide, methane and nitric oxide, methane, hydrogen and nitric oxide, methane and sulfur dioxide. 53. Correct answer will be the main constituents of biogas are methane and carbon dioxide. Okay, wait. 53, methane and carbon dioxide. 53 is the correct answer. Okay. Very few questions left. I was checking how many questions left, but let me finish the all. 54. In the world as a whole, the environment has degraded during past several decades. So this is an assertion. Then we have got reason. It says R, the population of the world has been growing significantly. A is correct, R is not. R is correct and R is the correct explanation of A. A is correct, R is correct, but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is correct, but R is false. A is false, but R is correct. What do you say? 54. 54. 54 correct answer will be B, that is A is correct, R is correct, and R is not the correct explanation of A. Okay, 54 B is the correct answer. Let me mark it correct. Okay, done. 55. Climate change has implications for soil moisture, forest fires, biodiversity, groundwater. Identify the correct combination according to the code 1 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4. What do you say? 55. Correct answer of 55, it will be climate change has implications for B, 1, 2 and 3. All are correct except the groundwater. Okay. Soil moisture, forest fires, biodiversity, I accept the groundwater. That means 1, 2 and 3 means B will be the correct answer. Let me mark it also. Okay, moving on. 56, the accreditation process by National Assessment and Accreditation Council, NAC. You must have heard. If you haven't, then now check it out, because so many questions will be asked related to this topic. Differs from that of the National Board of Accreditation, NBA, in terms of what? Disciplines covered by both being the same, there is duplication of efforts. B1 has institutional grading approach and the other has program grading approach. Once get accredited by NBA or NAC, the institution is free from renewal of grading, which is not a progressive decision. This accreditation amounts to approval of minimum standards in the quality of education in the institution concerned. What do you think? 56 correct answer will be number C. That means once get accredited by NBA or NAC, the institution is free from renewal of grading, which is not a progressive decision. Okay, 57, which option is not correct? Most of the educational institutions of national repute in scientific and technical sphere fall under 61st entry of union list. B, education in general is the subject of concurrent list since 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976. Central Advisory Board on Education, CABE, was first established in 1920. India had implemented the right to free and compulsory primary education into 2002 through 86 Constitutional Amendment. 57 correct answer will be C. Central Advisory Board of Education, CABE, was first established in 1920. This is the correct answer. This is related to constitution. 58, which statement is not correct about the National Education Day of India? So always focus on not. Okay, so many questions are asked related to not and not. Okay, but we often forget the not and then we try to just mark in the correct answer, but the question was not correct. So let me give you the correct answer straight away. I will not read the option entirely. So option A, it is celebrated on 5th September every year. 5th September every year, when Teacher Day is celebrated, at that time it is not celebrated. This is wrong. Okay. 59, match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the codes given below. In list 1 we have articles of the constitution, in list 2 we have institution. Article 280, article 324, article 323, article 315. Administrative tribunals, Election Commission of India, Finance Commission at union level, Union Public Service Commission. I will not read the option. Now let me give you the correct answer of this question. 59 correct answer will be A. That means A, article 280, it is related to administrative tribunals. B2, article 324, it is related to Election Commission of India. C3, article 323 is related to Finance Commission at union level. D4, article 315 is related to Union Public Service Commission. So A is the correct answer. Okay, let me repeat it. So we have now last question. Deem the university declared by UGC under section 3 of the UGC Act 1956 are not permitted to what? Offer programs in higher education and issue degree, give affiliation to any institute of higher education open off campus and offshore campus anywhere in the country and overseas respectively without the permission of the UGC, offer distance education programs without the approval of the Distance Education Council. So number 60, this is the last question that we have got. Number C is the correct answer. That means open off campus and offshore campus anywhere in the country and overseas respectively without the permission of the UGC, they cannot do. So this is the last question. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye.